Hi folks, today I'd like to take a second to share with you a few tips from Google for Education on how to organize your Google Drive. The first tip that they share is to create folders that have a logical flow for you. For me, when it comes to folders, I utilize numbers for my different grade levels. So if I look at my old courses here, you can see I have 09 for freshmen, 10 for sophomores, and 12 for my senior electives. The other thing you can do is you can utilize color. In order to change color of folders, you can right-click on it, go to Change Color, and that will let you change the color of the folder. Another tip that they offer is to star information. So when you star a folder or a document, it automatically gets moved to the top. So right now I just put a star next to my junior English curriculum, and I go to the starred section. The starred section, it's going to be immediately at the top saying that this was a priority for me to take a look at. Another tip for my naming convention is I number the days of the school calendar. In addition to those numbers, I include the actual date, and students have access to this as well, so they're able to access all of our agendas and all the things that we did on those particular days. One thing that often frustrates people is we have thousands of shared with me documents, but we can't organize them because we're not the owners of those documents. If I right-click on this, I can add this document to my drive. When it's added to my drive, I haven't changed the owner's information, but rather I now can add this to particular folders in my drive. So if I click Organize, I can choose to put this in my junior English folder. I can move it right there. And then when I go to my junior English folder, it appears. So those are just a few tips, folks. Please come on down to our Monday Late Start a la carte if you'd like more tips or thoughts on organizing your Google Drive. This week's Teachspiration goes out to Tim Garris for trying new things in his math classroom, utilizing technology and just sharing with passion. Thanks, Tim, for inspiring this week.